You should live your life while you can. We have always enjoyed an active lifestyle, and it means a lot to us to have no limits, even though, of course, we cannot deny we are getting older. It always comes as a surprise when you discover that there are things you can no longer manage. I have fallen a couple of times and was unable to get up by myself. Therefore, I have tried to lie on the floor waiting for external help. After these incidents, for some time I was particularly careful about what I threw myself into. But I am no longer afraid that I may fall, because now I know there will be a helping hand right away, and even from my own wife. And on top of that, it is reassuring to know that she will not be physically strained, nor will it be a stressful situation. We have stopped limiting ourselves, which means increased freedom and many more experiences in our everyday lives.